subscribe to my channel immediately so that you can watch the next video whenever I upload it. Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all? So today is Sunday and I decided to go for lunch on a Sunday afternoon, and today we are at Pop-Tate's, guys, and this is at our mall in Thane, and it's an amazing place to hang out and have amazing lunch or dinner, whichever you choose. But today I'm having lunch, and just take a look at the ambience around. So they have so many posters from classic Hollywood movies as well as pictures of classic Hollywood stars, and that really makes me feel so good because I love the Hollywood classic movies a lot and I watch them even now. So here is the menu, and it's really difficult to choose because everything in Pop-Tate's is really tasty, and it's a difficult choice whether to take something new or stick to the ones which you love already. So today I decided to order for something which is different. And take a look at what all I'm going to eat right now. So look at the ambience around. It's a beautiful afternoon and it's really sunny, and look at the greenery outside. It's really beautiful. So I started with a drink and it was amazing. So when you are at Pop-Tate's, it's a must that you should be having something to drink along with your food, because there are always happy hours going on over there. And mostly in the afternoons, if you step into Pop-Tate's, you will get a lot of offers on drinks, and that is why it is so attractive to go over there. So yeah, if you love to eat and drink, you should go to this place. So first dish which I ordered was the Moroccan style chicken, and it was very juicy, very succulent chicken, and the Moroccan herbs were really tasty. It really made the dish amazing. The dish was in a different level and amazing to eat, and very soft and tender meat. The Moroccan herbs really went very well. So they had rubbed some thyme, some basil, some oregano. So all of these herbs came together and it was really tasty, and fried with olive oil. So it was yummy as well as very healthy. So that really made my day. Along with the drinks, it went very well. So the next dish which I ordered was grilled prawn sizzler, and even that was tasty. So I had opted for noodles instead of rice. So it was served along with the mandatory fries as well as a stuffed capsicum, lot of veggies. So these veggies are really tasty because it's sprinkled with lot of herbs. It is just tossed a little, and that's what make the veggies really juicy. It's not overcooked, and you'll find that they are really crunchy vegetables, and this is how I like to eat it. And the sauce which they serve along with it is also very yummy. It goes very well along with it. So that's what I like about it. So even this sizzler was really good, and I would really recommend you all to have this because yeah, it was very tasty. And next was my dessert, which I rarely have when I go for lunch, but today I decided to have this amazing pastry which is called opera, and it is a coffee pastry actually, which I really like to eat. It has a nice coffee flavor and it really makes your mouth feel so fresh after eating it. And yes, I was really happy with my choice because it was very tasty, very nice, sticky, and amazing chocolate on top of it, and very moist. So that is how I like my cake. I guess even you like it that way. So let me know in the comment section what kind of food you like. So let me rate Pop-Tates. Cost for 2 people would be 1300 to 2000 with cocktails and dessert. Taste is 5 out of 5. Quality of food is 5 out of 5. Ambience is 4 out of 5. And value for money is 4 out of 5. So guys, go for it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.